Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable the activity indicator feature on Snapchat because, of course, we want to keep our privacy intact and sometimes we just really don't want to tell everyone that we are online, just try to keep isolated at times. Be alone, like introverts. So I'm currently here on my Snapchat app and all you need to do is click on your profile picture over here or your avatar to be able to see this gear button over here. Just click on it and it'll send you to settings and just scroll down until we find, I think I scrolled way too far. Scroll back up until we find active indicator. Click on this one and you'll see the switch. So when enabled, others can see you if you have been active on Snapchat recently. Now we don't want that, right? That's the purpose of this video. Just click on the switch and it's now disabled. Now people won't see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. How convenient. And that is how you disable your active indicator on Snapchat. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. This was Generation Unravel. Bye bye.